People ask me why I travel so much. I say them it's an adventure. Adventure to know what life means to me. Certainly, traveling is more than seeing of sights. It's a change that goes on deep and permanent in the ideas of living. And this summer, I got to experience it in Ladakh. Getting away from home gives me the opportunity to reflect on my life. Every destination has something unique to teach. Just immersing yourself in completely different world is the best way to learn how to live your life.